G'day guys, Matt here from Tradie Web Guys. I just wanted to quickly run through with you the project gallery service we offer to a whole bunch of our clients. And I want to show you how effective it is, because there's a lot of people like, oh yeah, and do I really need to be doing this? But it's really important, guys, that you're getting content on your website, and it's important that you're getting content that's relevant to, I suppose, what your customers or potential customers are looking for. And then secondly, it's important that the content is optimized for the search engines. And I'm going to show you something that's really powerful. And this is something we've been implementing for a couple of months now with a bunch of clients. Well, a few months now for a bunch of clients. And it's been working really, really well. And the proof's in the pudding. So I'm just going to show you. So this is one of our clients here. And this project that we've created on their website was for Mossman Hot Water. And you can see here when I type in Mossman Hot Water System, when I type that into the search engine, this is an incognito Google window as well. So that basically means it doesn't give any precedence to your location. But if I type that in, Mossman Hot Water System, you'll see here that underneath you've got obviously your paid ads here. This is Google My Business. You've got Google reviews down here. And then, number 2 for SEO is that page. And this was only done maybe 5 weeks ago or something like that. So it's relatively new and it's already ranking organically. If we jump across to another client of ours, these guys are builders, and this was this page has been optimized for Bondi apartment renovations. And then again, if I jump into incognito window within Google, you can see that it is number 1 for SEO for Bondi apartment renovation. If we go across to this one here, admittedly, this one was done quite a long time ago. This is before we actually launched it as a service. But again, this page has been optimized for home extension Coleroy. If I type in Coleroy home renovation, this client comes up number 1, 2, 3 for SEO. If we go across to this one here, this is a roofing client of ours. We did this page only maybe not even a month ago. This is Castle Cove roof installation. If I type in Castle Cove roof, they're number 1 for SEO. So guys, it really does work, and it's a fantastic service. It's a testament, I suppose, to understanding the language that that potential customers are looking for, which we do, and also having an understanding of the services and the locations, which we also do. So it really does pay to get this stuff done and get it done properly. And I encourage you guys that if you want to show up on search engines and you want to improve your rankings with the search engines, and I suppose having something that you can refer customers to. I mean, the beauty of having these pages is if somebody comes to you and they're asking you for information, you can share it with them. And if you haven't got it on your website, you can't share it with them. So this is just a great tool to educate, inform, and the serendipity, of course, is it shows up in search queries. So you can imagine once you get a whole bunch of these on your website, it becomes extremely powerful and it becomes quite a dominating tool. So reach out to us, inquiries with an E at tradiewebguys.com.au. Likewise, if you head across to the website, you can fill in one of the forms there, and we can talk to you about how we can get this kind of thing running for you guys like we have for loads of our other clients. We look forward to speaking to you.